make some interesting earrings and anklets. Welcome to Sparklebox, and this is Yamini. If you want to try such amazing DIYs, then definitely visit our website mysparklebox.com. Do subscribe and click the bell icon to get instant notifications on our new videos. Without further delay, let's get started with our today's DIY. Ready. Give it a try yourself and share your work with us in Instagram by tagging us. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. And do share your thoughts about this video in the comment section below.